If recurring ants keep showing up in your rental but you cannot alter the soil, focus on portable, reversible measures that control activity and block access. Start by locating trails and entry points during active hours and follow them back to their source without digging or disturbing planted beds. Use ant baits with borax or abamectin placed near trails but away from pets and children. Baits are effective because foraging workers carry poison back to the nest and reduce colony size over time. Lay portable weed mats under potted plants or around patio edges to create a physical barrier that does not change the underlying soil. Cut to fit and weight edges with stones so they stay flat. Apply seasonal granular deterrents only in areas allowed by your lease, such as gravel zones or the perimeter outside paved walkways, and follow label directions for reapplication intervals. Keep interior sanitation strict by storing food in sealed containers, wiping spills immediately, and removing ripe fruit and pet food at night so baits compete better and foragers lose interest in household sources. Communicate promptly and clearly with your property manager about persistent infestations and share your observations and bait types. Ask permission before any outdoor granular treatments and document approvals in writing. Common mistakes include spraying visible ants without addressing the nest, which simply scatters the colony and creates more trails. Instead, use targeted baits and focus on trail interception. Another issue is placing baits where competing food is available, which reduces uptake. Fix this by removing exposed foods and placing baits along undisturbed trails during peak foraging times. A third problem is assuming one application will be enough. Seasonal colonies need repeated monitoring and reapplication of granular or bait products, as label directions state. And you should track activity to know when to refresh treatments. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and renters to local contractors and service providers while letting contractors find work through posted projects and leads. We also host a discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions, and exchange practical rental-friendly pest control tips.